I'm Emma Kumar. I'm working as an open source developer in Chipkits for past 5 months. Now I'm going to talk about plot chart, which this control always represents data with two values for each data point, and it has the values where determines the position for the data point along the horizontal axis and another value which determines its position along the vertical axis. And this control also expects its series property to contain an array of plot series objects. Based on this concept, I am using FlexBuilder, which has the script tag, and I am giving import as collections array collection, and I am giving public variable which has the expenses array collection, and I am giving some datas month, profit, expenses, amount. And after that script I am using here as panel which has the title plot chart with custom item renderer. For the plot chart tag I am giving id as plot chart, and for the data provider which has the expenses, this variable has to get, and for the show data tips which is the true. For the series which has the plot series tag, and I am giving x field as expenses, and for the y field as profit, this one, and for the display name as plot1, and for the item renderer I am giving as mx.charts.renderers.cross item renderer ready. Like that I am giving for the another plot series which has the x field as amount, and for the y field as expenses, for the display name as plot2, which here also I am getting item renderer as mx.charts.renderers.diamond item renderer. So like that I am using the third one, which is x field as profit and y field as amount and display name as plot3. Like that I am giving and closing the series and plot chart. And for the legend I am giving data provider which has the plot chart as the id, this one has to get. And now we are going to see the output, where this is the exactly I am talking about this pinpoint one, where this plot1 plot2 the differences is showing, and it can connective as well, like that, this concurrent like that, and that both one. So in this sense they can pinpointly know which plot contains which expenses and profits, like that. So in this sense they can know the pinpoint values where that business people can take some quick decisions. In this sense that chart is used in very effective manner. Thank you friends. In case you have any queries, please contact my blog emakumars.wordpress.com. Otherwise you can mail to my mail id s.emakumar@gmail.com. Thank you.